Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Nissan Juke's Bluetooth. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and your phone is charged and ready. This process allows for hands-free calls and music streaming, enhancing your driving experience. We will go through each step, from preparing your Juke to finalizing the connection with your phone, making it simple and straightforward. To begin, turn on your Nissan Juke's audio system. Navigate to the settings menu on your vehicle's display screen. From there, select the Bluetooth option. You will then choose Add New Device to make your Juke discoverable. The system will now be ready to connect with your mobile phone, so keep an eye on the screen for further prompts. Now, grab your mobile phone and go to its Bluetooth settings. Search for available devices, and you should see My CAR or Nissan Juke appear in the list. Select it to initiate the pairing process. Both your phone and the Juke's display will show a unique pairing code. Verify that these codes match, then accept the pairing request on your phone. Once paired, your Juke may ask to sync your phone's contacts and call history. Allow this for full functionality. To ensure everything is working correctly, make a quick test call. You can also play some music to check the audio streaming. If needed, adjust the volume and sound settings for the best experience. Your Nissan Juke is now connected via Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.